Greetings, crypto enthusiasts. We've got some thrilling news for traders. Bitget is hosting an incredible event, the Kcgi demo trading competition in the world of futures trading. The best part? You can trade without risking your own funds and still have a shot at a substantial prize pool. In this video, let's unveil the fantastic rewards and benefits waiting for you in the Bitget Kcgi demo trading competition. Imagine trading in the exciting world of crypto futures without putting a single penny of your own money on the line. In the Bitget Kcgi demo trading competition, you'll receive a hefty 100,000 USDT in demo assets to trade with, and there's absolutely no risk involved. It's your opportunity to hone your trading skills without financial exposure. Now, let's talk about the real highlight, sharing the prize pool. Compete for profits, and here's the kicker, grab your piece of the 20,000 USDT prize pool. Yes, you heard it right. You can win a portion of this substantial prize pool, all without taking any financial risks. But wait, there's more. We've got exciting invitation rewards in store for you. For every new user you invite to register during the competition, you'll receive a generous 5,000 USDT in demo assets. And the best part? You can earn up to an incredible 50,000 USDT through invitations alone. It's a golden opportunity to not only trade risk-free but also boost your chances of winning by inviting friends. Speaking of winning, let's talk about your chances. The top participants with the highest demo trading profit and loss, P&L, will be eligible for fantastic rewards. The top-ranking traders will receive substantial portions of the prize pool, putting you in the running for significant gains. So, there you have it, traders. The Bitget Kcgi demo trading competition offers you the chance to trade without any financial risks and share in the excitement of a substantial prize pool. It's an opportunity you don't want to miss. Join us in this risk-free trading adventure and seize your rewards. Get ready to trade, compete, and win.